Hi, this is Dory, and I'm Mena. We travel with our lovely dog Fiona to discover the most beautiful locations, and our goal is to share with you what it's like to live as a nomad. So thanks for following, and welcome to our channel. Good morning from the Florida State Fairgrounds. Today we're checking out the Super Tampa RV show, and it's a special treat for us. We were invited back again this year and we have so much to show you, so stay tuned.
So we have here a nice camper van, Zion SRT. So this is on a Promaster, right? Means front wheel drive. Bike rack, that's pretty neat. I do like that they have a light over here, that's kind of nice. They actually have two lights, that's pretty cool for the outside. I like the steps. Two steps, right? So that's kind of neat. Let's check the inside. Flooring, very similar to ours. This is pretty cool. It would have been nice if it was a lagoon table, but that's still pretty cool. All right, USB, and then you got your 12 volts and your regular plug. Cabin, I like the swivel seats. Pretty awesome. Not sure if this one swivels. I do think so. It does. Love the display. It's pretty big. It's really cool. Really neat. Got that storage. We have the storage right here as well. We have some sort of display for your step in, step on, battery disconnect, light. I do love the bug wall. Not sure what they call it. Might not be the bug wall, but it is for the bugs. Little sink. Tiny. Does the job. And I like that they offer you these little to make your counter full, right? So you could have a sort of a full counter. Your faucet, induction, one burner, storage. We do love storage. It's a lot of storage. That's pretty good. Big pantry. Really neat how they made this work. Good job, guys. And we get to the back. I'm assuming there's more storage underneath here. This could be for a table. Your back seats. I do like that. So it goes down and it's not obstructed. So if you want to have that nice view, you do have your bug wall again. TV, window, more cabinets and plugs. That's pretty good. 12 volt cable, your regular plugs. It's pretty neat. Should have done something over here. More storage. And more storage. Your solar charge controller. This is your air conditioning. I'm not sure if it has a heat strip on it, but yeah. Here we have fridge, pretty decent fridge, and I like it that's elevated. So that's pretty cool. Really nice big fridge. You got your freezer right here, and I like it that it's separate. It's not on one compartment, right? It's pretty big and it's elevated, so which is great. More storage. This is a nice big drawer. Oh my god, love it. I'm assuming that's your eater. Could be wabasso or the Chinese version. I have no idea. Not even sure where's the controller yet. But we got more storage down here. More space. This gives you access to your hot water. So that's pretty cool. This is not a storage compartment. You have room there for your table. More spots over here. This is a big closet. Look at that. With a mirror. Whoa. Wow. This is actually your bathroom. Look at that. It's a wet bath. Right? You still have your curtain to protect a little bit, but it's pretty big. Similar to what we've seen in the past. But I do love these doors. I mean, I knew we had a bathroom in here, but for some reason I thought this was going to be a pantry or something. Pretty good. And yeah, guys, you see the price right here. MSRP 162, show price 129. For the Promaster. It's a good job. I mean, it's really well done. Really well done. You have everything that you need. Super spacious. I like the detail, right? So this is when you're cooking, so it makes it easier to clean. They thought about all these little details. You also have your microwave here, you know. Really good. Let's take a look at the outside. So they got that little air conditioning. I don't know how heavy it is, but it seems pretty good. I like the plugs where they are, so they didn't drill into the van, so that's kind of neat, and they put it right there, and it's good enough for clearance. So you have your hitch there as well. That's kind of nice. And what else do we have here? All right, looks like propane, like propane fitters, I'm assuming. So yeah, really nice. Again, your lagoon table. I like it how they have it mounted already, and they have spaces where you could store it, so it doesn't become a problem, you know. Especially when you have things sticking out, it's hard to store them in the van. So that's pretty good. I'm assuming this is more storage. Not sure how this lifts up. Your hot water heater, we saw that from the inside. This would be your outside. Pretty neat. I think this is for your furnace. Yeah. It's a nice little van. Good price, you know. Love the size, love the layout, love the options that it has in the little detail. So that's pretty good. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next store.